everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stacy. I make weekly planning videos and I really hope you will enjoy this video and consider subscribing to my channel. So today I am super excited for the video I am sharing with you all. It's something different for me, but I'm really excited about it. So as you can tell from the title, today I am doing an unboxing of my new Girl Getter Co. planner. And you may have heard of this company, you may not have. It is a pretty new company, but basically I am very excited about it. I'm just blocking with my hand here my address on the box. This just arrived on my doorstep a few minutes ago and I just couldn't wait any longer. I had to film a video on this right away so I could dive into it. But basically, you've probably been seeing this company being promoted with this planner all through Instagram lately. A lot of people have been doing unboxing videos on YouTube, but it's a completely new planner. It's something that I've never seen done before by anyone else, so I decided to take the plunge and order it. Even though I have a million planners already, as you know, if you watch my channel, you know I don't need any other planners, but I had to bite the bullet and take a chance to order this one because it's absolutely nothing like what I have already, so I'm very excited to share it with you all. So let's get started with this unboxing, and I hope you enjoy this video. So, just gonna move the box over just a little bit here. I did already cut the tape off, just to save time. Use my name here. So you get your little invoice here. So the planner that I ordered is the Undated Signature Go-Getter Girl Planner in the Cotton Candy Camo color. There were 3 colors to choose from for this release for the planners. And one of them was sold out. So there were only 2 options left. There was the Rachel and the Cotton Candy Camo, but the Cotton Candy Camo spoke to me a little bit more, so that's what I decided to go with. So when you open the box, the first thing you get are these little goodies from Rachel, who is the founder of the company. So it looks like she sent this adorable bookmark that matches the planner I chose. It says "Plan Your Life Like a Go-Getter," and it says it on both sides. This is super cute. I will definitely be using this in my planner. And then you also get a little index card here, or business card, talking about the company and the social media pages and where to find them. I think it's really nice. These things are just a nice touch. It reminds me of getting an Etsy order, if you know what I'm talking about, where it's personalized and they send you some little extras. I love the glitter on here. It's so pretty. It says "Plan Your Life and Dream Like a Go-Getter." I really like that. And then you also get this little thank you card for placing an order, and there's a coupon code. It looks like you get $5 off in any order of $60 or more. It says you could share this promo code GoGetter with your bestie so they could save some money. So that's really cool. I'll link everything. I'll link the website and the details down below. If any of you are interested in ordering one of the planners, I'll put the website and everything down below for you, and also the promo code, because it looks like you could save some money, so that's always nice. And then here we have a little note from the founder, Rachel, about her company's mission, it looks like, and what to expect from the planner. And it looks like she's actually a personal development coach, the founder of this company. So it looks like she's offering $100 off of her course. So that's really generous. So if you're watching, Rachel, thank you so much for adding these goodies to the order. I really appreciate the personalization and the personal touches, so thank you so much. I'm very excited. So now let's dive into the good part, which is unboxing the planner. I absolutely love this tissue paper. And the planner is very nicely packed. And something I wanted to share with you that Rachel mentioned on an Instagram live yesterday is that when you place an order, they ship your order the same day that you placed it, which is just amazing. You very rarely hear of companies being able to do that, so her fulfillment team is amazing, and I know Rachel assists with the fulfillment as well, so that's a really nice touch that this only took, I think, like 2 days to get to me, which is amazing. So it's nicely packaged in this wrap here, so I'm just going to slide the planner out. Like I said, it comes very nicely packaged. I'm very impressed. I love the little thank you sticker. It's just so nice and personal. And then I'm just gonna take the tissue paper off. So like I said, I have not obviously unboxed this or anything. This is my first time ordering one of these planners because it is new. So I don't know what to expect. So you guys are seeing my first impression, which is really exciting. So this is the planner. Like I said, this is the Cotton Candy Camo color. It should still be available on the website. If it is, I'll link it down below. I apologize if it sells out. I don't know when I'm posting this video, so I apologize if it sells out, but Rachel said there is going to be another release, not necessarily with the same planners, but she's going to have a new release soon with different ones to choose from that I'm sure will be just as nice. So I'll link everything I can down below for you, but this is so beautiful. It has the double coil and the gold. It has a really nice hard cover. I love the gold on the edges. I love all the gold foiling. It says, "Go Getter, Girl Planner. Plan your life like a go-getter." And it has all the social media on the back. I absolutely love the stars. Absolutely stunning. This is just so gorgeous. So I'm really happy already that I decided to take the plunge and order this. And I've seen some unboxings from Stephanie Happily Plans and Southern Tea Time and a few other people. They were the ones that convinced me to place this order. So they do have full flip-throughs up as well, but I will flip through this a little bit for you guys. This is just really pretty, the inside cover. So we have your name page, and this is an undated planner, and it has a totally different layout than anything that I've ever seen before. So when you get to the first pages here, it has like a welcome message from Rachel, which is really nice. And then this has instructions on how to use the planner. It is undated, so it's really nice because you can obviously start it whenever you want. And that was one of the reasons I decided to order this, because I have so many dated planners that I'm trying to use up from the Happy Planner. So if this was dated, I would feel a little guilty about ordering it, but because it's not dated, I can pick this up and use it anytime I want without feeling like I'm wasting pages. So that's really nice. And yeah, here's some more information about how to use the planner. And this planner is different from anything I've ever seen before because it has multiple layouts. So you get your monthly layout, you get your weekly and its vertical layout, and then you also get daily pages, which is my favorite part. I've been looking for a daily planner for a long time and I haven't really found any. Surprisingly, I've been wanting a daily for so long where one page is one day of the week. So that's what this planner has, so I'm really excited about it. We have this beautiful quote here. And I really like this tab on the side. So this is a section where you can put some goals you have and things like that. I really like things like this that are prompted. Very nice. Goal creation, you can fill everything in. Morning routine creation, that's really nice. And then this tab says plan. So I think every month there's a section to make a monthly vision board, which is really nice. I know people have been loving that. I've been seeing a lot of reviews on this planner and people using it on Instagram. I've been hearing really good things about it and how impactful doing a monthly vision board is. So I'm really excited to make my own. And this is one of the best parts of this planner. So you get your monthly view for each month, undated, and a landscape view. So it's just across one page horizontally, which I love because normally the calendar for the month is on 2 pages with the discs cutting off, or the center, cutting off the pages, and it's uncomfortable to write. So I love this because you can just write really easily. So that's going to be super nice. I really like the monthly on one page like that. Rachel was really, thorough in thinking about how to really design this to be very functional. And then you can also flip it, if you could see. Let me zoom in a little bit. So we have monthly goals, action plan, monthly budget. What habit are you trying to break or create? So you can look at both pages, your monthly, and really plan accordingly. So I absolutely love that. That is so nice. And like I said, this planner is very, very different from anything else that I've seen. So, which is why I was really motivated to order it. I'm so glad I did. So we get into the first week here. And like I said, it's nice because you can date the pages. So this is a vertical layout. So you get Monday through Sunday. My focus / priorities for the week are start now, start where you are. Everyone had a day one. I love that. So I love how neutral it is. It's so nice. And then this is what's really cool. So you get your monthly, which I showed you. Then you get your weekly, like normal. And then you get these daily pages that are awesome. So this is what I've been looking for in a planner for such a long time, and I haven't really found anything. So I'm so grateful to have this. I've been looking for a planner where one day is on one page. So this is just really, really nice. And then you can easily just, flip the page back. So I'll zoom in a little bit here. So here's the date. It says today I'm grateful for, and it has the hourly schedule to put all your plans in for the day, work to do, personal to do, movement. It says you can put a sticky note here and write your affirmation for the day. I've been seeing people do that on Instagram. That just seems really nice. I can't wait to do that. And then on the bottom it says, did you move closer towards breaking / creating your habit today, yes or no? So this is a very goal-oriented planner, which I appreciate because I feel like I could be way more motivated than I actually am. So I'm really excited to start using this. I had to film this video right away so I could start, just dive into it and use it. So I'm so excited. So then this is the next day. So you get your whole week for the daily pages. And it looks like you get your weekend on one page, so Saturday and Sunday, which is nice because I don't really need a whole day for my weekends each. And then it starts over for the next week. So you get your vertical weekly, and then you get your daily pages. And this planner runs for 6 months, which I actually like because I don't feel like I have to commit to it for a whole year or anything, because I like to change up my planning style from time to time. And there's no tabs because it's undated. But I honestly don't mind it. It just makes the planner very clean looking. So that goes on for the 6 months with the monthly, the vertical, weekly, and the daily pages. And then there's an extra tab back here that says extras with another beautiful quote. And this is an address book section in the back, which is actually really nice. Because I actually need one of these in my planner, and I feel like I haven't had one in a long time. So this is just nice, when you need to reference and keep track of things. I love this section also for passwords. This is really nice because I always forget my passwords for everything, and I never really have taken the time to organize my passwords in a place where I won't forget them. So I really appreciate this as well. And I love that these pages come in the back too for grocery list making. That's so nice. What else is back here? And then it looks like you get a notes section, and there's multiple pages here. Really nice lined note paper. So that is, and I love what it says, Love Rachel Marie. That is a flip through of my new Go Getter Girl Co. Undated planner in the cotton candy camo color. So I'm so used to using the disc bound system, but I'm really excited to try something different, so I cannot wait to use this. So thank you again, Rachel, for designing this planner. I knew I had to have it, and I'm so glad I ordered it. If you are on the fence about ordering it, just order it. It will be worth it. Like I said, it's undated, so you could start it and stop it whenever. I just think it's worth giving it a try. I haven't even used this yet, but I know I'm going to love it, and I'm very, very excited about it. So the planners have been low in stock. So like I said, I'll leave all the details down below and where you could find the planners if you would like to order one. Like I said, I wouldn't hesitate. If you're thinking about it, just go for it before they sell out, because they are going quick. I know that there aren't a lot of this style left, and one of them is sold out, so the Rachel is left too. So like I said, grab your hands on one while you can. There's going to be another release in a couple months, but if you're looking to get this now, to start it now, like I said, don't hesitate. Go to the website and order yours and use the coupon code that she gave me. I'll link everything down below. But I'm super grateful that Rachel designed this. I cannot wait to start using it, and I will definitely, once I get accustomed to it, I will do some plan with me's in this planner. Let me know in the comments below if you'd be interested to see that, to see plan with me's in this planner. So thank you all so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you found it interesting and found it helpful and seeing, something a little bit different. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you ordered one of these and you used one, let me know what you think of it. I would love to hear from you. So thank you all so much again for watching. I really appreciate your support. Before you head out, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to like it. Also, please subscribe if you're not already. I would love to have you back on my channel. And also follow me on Instagram at StacyLovesToPlan in order to see my spreads that I create with this planner soon. And if you're looking to gain some planning inspiration, you will find it on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on there. Thank you so much again to Rachel for designing this planner. If you're watching, I am so excited to use it, and I will be posting it on my social media as much as I can to spread the word about how amazing it is. So thank you all so much again for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon in my next one. Take care and have a great day. Bye!